Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smooth hummus. First, begin with dried chickpeas, as they yield a superior texture compared to canned. Soak them overnight in water with a teaspoon of baking soda. This helps soften them. For the absolute smoothest hummus, take the extra step to remove the skins from each chickpea after soaking. This small effort makes a huge difference. Once soaked, cook your chickpeas until they are incredibly soft, almost mushy. This is crucial for a smooth result. Transfer them to a high-speed blender or a robust food processor. As you blend, gradually add a few ice cubes or some ice water. This technique helps emulsify the hummus, making it wonderfully light and creamy. Quick recommendation: all that blending and tasting can make you thirsty, so remember to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the flavor. The quality of your tahini truly matters here. Choose a good brand for that authentic, rich taste. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is essential to brighten the hummus and balance the richness. Don't be shy about tasting and adjusting the salt and garlic to your exact liking. These elements bring your hummus to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.